Another simple and easy bread recipe to do bread rolls with fresh milk and cream. This fresh milk and cream bread is really nice. Let the kids put hands on it too. It's a simple recipe. I'm doing a smaller quantity. If you want to do a bigger quantity, you can always double this recipe. 175 grams bread flour, 40 grams whipping cream, 4 grams instant dry yeast, 15 grams sugar, 15 grams butter and 50 milliliters milk. So let's start doing this. If you want to add milk powder, so you can add milk powder about 40 grams and add water instead of milk. So let's start. Into a mixing bowl with the dough hook attached, add the bread flour. Into that add the sugar and then the yeast. 2 grams salt, then the whipping cream. Mix about 1 minute. After add the milk bit by bit. Now add the butter. Knead the dough about 10 to 15 minutes until it's soft and elastic. So the dough is ready and I'm going to put this in a greased bowl and leave in a warm place to double in size. So the dough for the milk bread rolls are ready. Some flour onto the bench and then the dough. As I said before, this is a very small quantity, so you can double this recipe without any problem. Cut the dough in half and cut each piece into 3. So take one piece and make balls. And then cut each piece into 3. Like this. Now take 3 pieces together and press one piece and make small balls like this. So take a muffin pan and spray the muffin pan and put the balls that you make in it. So 3 balls go into 1. 2. And 3. Like this. Put the dough balls in each muffin hole. So they are ready. Now I'm going to leave this again in a warm place to double in size. So the bread rolls are ready to go to the oven. Brush with eggs. This goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown on top. So the milk bread rolls are ready and I took it out from the oven about 10 minutes before and this is how it is. It's a really nice and beautiful soft bread that's sponge back, and if I open, so soft and moist. Try this at home and leave me a comment. See you next time.